How to Make a Friend by Stephen W. Martin, illustrated by Olivia Aserr. Aserr? Not sure. Making a friend can seem like a scary, impossible task. But trust me, how to make a friend. With the right power tools and basic understanding of advanced robotics, it's easy. First things first, always wear safety goggles. Next, you need to decide what kind of friend you want to make. A friend to play with, a friend to help you with homework, a friend to crush your enemies. Once you have chosen your friend, it's time to get to work. Here are a few tips. Measure twice. Cut once. Ask your parents before handling plutonium. And if you have any spare parts, just hide them under your bed. And there you have it. Your very own friend. Now get out there and do all those awesome friend things you've always wanted to do. Tea parties, hide and seek, treehouse building, and water fights. Water fights are not a good idea. Now, remember to share, take turns, and let your friend choose the game or activities sometimes. Yes, having a best friend is pretty awesome. You're probably finishing each other's sentences by now. Don't be alarmed or upset if your friend decides to make some other friends. You don't have to play together all the time. Plus, in time, they may even become your friend as well. However, if you notice that your friend is hanging around with the wrong crowd or causing trouble, it's best to walk or, in some cases, run away. If you're worried about them, or for the city, make sure you tell a grown-up. And if things escalate, well, you planned for this. Pew, pew, pew! Climb, 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 climb. Bloop. Press the button. Don't feel bad. Some friendships just don't work out for one reason or another. It's not your fault, or ours, legally speaking. Our advice is to take some time to reflect and recover, especially if you were in the blast radius. Then pick up the pieces, really anything you can salvage, and start again. We promise that making a friend will be 100% easier the second time. I like that. That was good. Good night. I love you.